The leg position controls the downward-expelling wind. Pressing with the mudra of equipoise below the navel retains the fire-coinciding wind. Straightening the spine and holding the body taut controls the pervading wind. Not bending the elbows and upper arms and stretching up the shoulders holds the life force wind. Bending the neck and resting the tongue on the palate controls the upward moving wind. By controlling those root winds, the secondary winds are naturally controlled, and, specifically, an unwavering gaze controls the secondary winds. It is explained that those points of the physical posture cause the channels, winds, and bodhicittas bindus to abide in their own places and be stable. Those in turn balance your body's elements and to enhance your compaction. Since the operative sense consciousnesses are not engaging their objects, samadhi naturally arises.